How can you be resilient in an uncertain year? How can you be more competitive when looking for a new job? We're not sure where the new year will take us, so it's best to be prepared. Hi, this is Juddene Villarin, CEO of Reliable Staff Solutions. So, in today's episode, I'm going to share some skills you should master to be the best candidate and find your next opportunity. Number one, resiliency. While the unemployment rate is still relatively low, the recent tax layoff had led to speculations about the job market in the coming year. Being resilient in the face of challenges will always help you. Even within a position, the ability to bounce back when something doesn't go your way will always put you in a better position moving forward. The second one is tech skills. Comfort with technology will be vital as we move into the new year. Many companies are embracing new technological advancements, and understanding how tech works will set you apart from your competition. Whether you want a role in technology or not, familiarity with the different platforms will come into play in any industry. Third one is adaptability. The new year is likely to come with a lot of uncertainty. That means being adaptable to what's necessary will put you in a great position to find an opportunity. Adaptability comes in many forms, including a willingness to learn new technology, adapt to new management styles, and work in or out of the office. This will be a great benefit when you start applying to open positions. The fourth one is financial. It's always recommended that you create your reserves during times of uncertainty. Financial understanding won't just help you stay on track with your spendings and budgeting, but can also help you in the job. Using your economic sense to choose the right opportunities, save portions of your paycheck, and work with your employer in various ways can put you in a good position regardless of what comes next. The future of work will offer and different types of roles. Some jobs may no longer exist due to technological advancement. The rapid advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning and other software tools create a need for human creativity, which may open new doors for you. By starting right now, you'll be far ahead of your peers by being more prepared and competitive by the new year. So that's it for today's episode. If you have any questions, I would love to hear that in the comment section below. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.